AI isn't just helping artists, it's replacing them. Right now, algorithms can paint award-winning art, compose emotional music, and write stories that sound human. And they're improving faster than any creative movement in history. For decades, we believed creativity was untouchable, the final frontier of being human. But today, machines aren't mimicking imagination, they're outperforming it. Platforms like Midjourney, Suno, and GPT don't assist creators. They produce art from scratch. A song written by AI can make you cry. A painting created by code can win competitions. A script written by a model can fool critics. So the question is no longer, can AI be creative? It's, if AI can create art that moves us, will people still care who made it? Human creativity is fueled by memory, emotion, culture, identity. AI doesn't feel any of that, yet it replicates the results with frightening accuracy. That means our role might change. Artists won't disappear. They'll evolve, from creators to directors, curators, vision holders. AI isn't here to destroy creativity. It's here to redefine it. So the real question isn't, will AI replace artists? It's, will humans evolve fast enough to stay relevant?